which consists of the following features like smart traffic management system, which manages the traffic issues, and we can also we can implement the feature of green revolution, which means we can use electric vehicles so that we can avoid the pollution, air pollution, which is still in rate. And also coming to the benefits, we can prevent the congestion issues, and also we can manage the traffic and pollution issues, and further will be continued by Sahana.
So the challenges we faced in the smart transport system is high implementation cost and sustainability, interoperability, and also urban planning and development, policy and governments, data privacy issues, and maintenance complexity, resistance to adoption, behavioral changes, and also many. And the further topics will be discussed by my friend Sanjay.
So hi, I am Sanjay from third year CSC. We are now discussing about the case study on the smart transport systems. So as we all know that Tier 1 cities like Bangalore, Chennai, and many more cities are suffering from a more number of vehicles going into a small amount of area because of you can mainly see that the Chennai and Bangalore are the radius is so low, but the amount of living there, the amount of people living there, and the amount of people which they have vehicles is larger. That is 10 times bigger than the land area. Okay, so due to this, the traffic was so high, and also our system giving solutions, but the modern era can adopt that solutions because all the traffic systems and signals are adapted to the olden technologies like the traffic lights, which we see there's 3 signals, red, yellow, and green. But today there are more technologies or tech stacks like machine learning or AI, so many of them. But our even though yes, a developer develop a solution which can adapt that, our government can't adapt that solutions. Okay, so if they are moving to that, it will reduce the amount of traffic in the Tier 1 cities. Okay, and also the main idea which will be helping is using a machine learning model in the traffic light systems. Okay, so in the traffic light system we mainly see this manual thing. Okay, it is about 120 seconds or 60 seconds we want to wait, and sometimes if an ambulance comes, they will be waiting for so long. So if people want to leave the area, they will also give a fine amount for them, because the camera can't judge that if they leave the space for ambulance, but the camera do not judge that. But I referred a IEEE paper that shows that using a solution by using machine learning and blockchain technology, and also integrating cloud computing and also an edge computing, we can integrate a solution that automatically monitors and using sound recognition. If an ambulance receives the signal, automatically interprets and give the green signal to that ambulance. Okay, so using this solution we can adopt the modern era, I think so. And also if we move to the, as of Sanjana said, that more number of vehicles are in petrol and diesel. So there is a less amount. If it is 100%, 70% of the members are using petrol and diesel cars only because of the efficiency, some like, and but 30% of the people is using battery or EV vehicles. But if it is 70% of EV vehicles and 30% of petrol diesel vehicles also using it also can emit carbon emissions, which can, we think that using a battery vehicles can reduce the pollution and it can reduce the hole in the ozone layer, but it does not, because the same amount the pollution emitting by the petrol and diesel vehicles is equal to the emission, that is carbon emission emitted by the EV vehicles. Okay, this is all about, and finally I conclude myself. There are more technologies in the smart transport systems, but adapting this requires a time. We think that adapting that requires a time. If it is adapted, we can get to the advanced traffic management system, which the foreign countries are using nowadays. But Indian government is not does not allowing these technologies. But if it is come, we can help everyone. Thank you.
Okay, finally in case study, we have concluded the smart traffic systems. So in Delhi and all, if they are giving horn means it will count the count will be increased in the traffic. So again it will take more time to clear the traffic. So based on that idea, I implemented my PhD project. So we can it's a new algorithm. We can implement our real time in future, and we can discuss about that. Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you.